Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be not really a wild ride, basically just going to be like a regular day YouTube video. So I did not just wake up. I actually woke up like 2 hours ago, ate some breakfast, and put on my makeup and semi-fixed my hair, but I still need to fix my hair, so probably gonna go do that soon. But I just want to tell you what we're gonna do first today. So if you guys can see, the cage is open to Sky's cage, and there will be another video about Cosmo, but sadly to say he is not here anymore, and it's just Sky. So today I'm actually on the hunt for like finding stands for birds, like in my room, just regular stands to put somewhere, like in a corner or somewhere, to put a stand, so whenever Sky comes out the cage, he can stand right there, because like he normally stands on like my window curtains, he stands on the end of my TV, and he stands on a lot of other things. So I want him to feel comfortable and have his own stand, so that's what we are going to do today. This lighting is terrible, thank you. I just need to see how much it will cost for the bird stand. Yeah, that's basically what we're gonna do today. So, I think many of you guys all know that I do have a cast on. I broke my arm, and so yeah, but that really won't be a problem today. So Sky has gotten a lot better at like taming and stuff, but I just started really taming him, so it's probably gonna take quite a bit of time. So now, before I do my makeup and hair, so I'm gonna show you how good he is at stepping up right now. Guys, so here we go. I am just going to let you guys see right there, and here is step up. Good boy. So that is how he's been doing right now. I'm trying to see if I can get him out of the cage. His cage has been open for a while, like for 2 to 3 days, but at nighttime I always do close it, so you know, if he doesn't fly away whenever I'm asleep. Step up. See, like, I'm gonna try to take him, and he always goes back down. So, you know, that's basically one of the reasons that I do not like, is I want him to come out, and I want him to know that it's safe to come out. But, you know, he has a little scratch on his forehead. That's from Cosmo. He has been, like, hurting him and stuff. But it's getting better. So now I'm actually going to go do my makeup. So guys, I'm almost 100% sure that I already did a tutorial on my makeup. So I'm just going to do it real quick, and I'm probably going to straighten my hair. So let me plug that in now. Okay guys, so I am done with my hair and makeup. I did straighten it. I don't know if you saw that or not, but I did straighten it, and yeah, so basically now all I'm gonna do is just sit with Sky real quick and talk to him, and then try to get him in the step up routine a little bit more. So let's go do that. So guys, I think I've set you guys in a good spot. Now, I'm just going to ask him to step up a lot. Step up. Good boy. Okay. Up. Step up. Step up. I love you. I'm not taking you nowhere. can step up on me. Step up. Good boy. Here, come here, babies. Come here. There you go. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little peek of my taming session. So he is doing pretty good. I think I still need to work on trying to move while he's on my finger, but he is stepping up pretty well, and that is basically my main goal. So right now I am just going to get my purse together and clean up my room a little bit because it is a disaster. Then after that, I am going to go downstairs and see what time we're leaving to go get the stuff. So guys, I just cleaned up my room a bit. It is much more cleaner. And now all I need to do is just make my bed. So let's go do that. Okay guys, so I finished making my bed clearly. And now I just need to, what do I need to do? Really nothing, actually. My room's clean and stuff. Now I'm just going to go in the bathroom. Okay, guys, I am done brushing my teeth. Now, I am going to go get my purse and then go downstairs and ask my mom what time we are leaving to go get the stand perch thing. So guys, I ordered something off of Amazon instead of going to get something. And this is my little brother Noah. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so but let me go tell you. So basically, it took us a while to decide. We were on Amazon for a while, and we got something that I'm paying for it. But I think Sky will really, really like it. I don't know if there is going to be... Thank you very much. I don't know if there's going to be... It said free shipping, so I think we're good. And so it's going to be here on Monday, and today is Saturday. So it's a pretty good, you know, time distance. It's a pretty good time that it will be here. So, yeah. Now, thank you for watching, and I am just going to go play with Sky for the rest of this video. Okay guys, hopefully you saw that whenever I looked back, apparently the camera fell, so I'm sorry for that. But I'm just going to let you guys say bye to Sky. Here he is. Hi. He's a good boy, yeah. Good boy, yeah. He's so happy. He's jumping. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment, and like. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.